What's your name?
Jaylene.
Jenly, and your name is?
Mackenzie.
Mackenzie. Do you guys have Instagram?
Yeah.
One more time. Say welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada.
Las Vegas.
Maybe at the end of the video, we shall put your Instagrams. Maybe somebody will follow you.
Maybe.
Yeah. So tell us about Las Vegas, Nevada. What do you think about this place?
Las Vegas is the place you want to go. And you need to get away.
You need to get away.
You want to come here, have fun. It's Sin City, baby. Have fun, have a good time.
Sin City, yeah, actually they told me
right?
Sin City, yeah.
Have a good time.
Yeah.
Vegas is the getaway.
It's a getaway.
It's just, fuck,
Wow.
breathtaking.
How long have you been here? Like maybe like partying or?
We flew in Wednesday night. We're here till Tuesday morning.
Oh damn, man, it's really like.
For the life. She's my new friend.
Oh.
We make new friends.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Denver.
Denmark. Oh wow.
Denver.
So
Denver.
how is the cost of cost of partying and everything here?
It's fun.
The cost, how much? Like for
the
example,
cost?
yeah.
We're ladies, so guest list.
Okay.
Yeah, so, I don't know, to be honest, but I'm sure it's expensive.
So let's say if somebody wants to come to Las Vegas for the first time, what do you tell them to carry with them or like to have in their mind?
Depends. Are they millennials or are they adults?
Yeah, let's say adults, yeah.
Like older people?
Let's say from 24 and above.
Clubs, buffets. What else? The sightseeing, just sightseeing in general.
Sightseeing.
It's gorgeous here.
Wow.
The people you meet, the people that blurt out at you, is just funny. It's a good vibe everywhere around.
Oh wow, she's so silent. Say something. Say something.
I get so nervous in front of camera.
Okay, so it's okay. I totally. Hey, what's up guys? I hope you give this video a like. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. I'm with Richard right here. Man, Richard, say something about Las Vegas, man.
Hey, what's up, bro? We're here in Las Vegas. You smell weed everywhere.
Weed is everywhere, man. Like, damn, weed, man. Hope you guys like this video, man. We worked so hard for you. We drove actually how many hours from?
About 5 hours today.
Actually, like from LA directly to here. We came from LA. So you can imagine, man, we really work hard to give you this content, man. The best thing you can do is to subscribe to Richard's World, the link down below, and also hit that like button if we get a thousand likes in this video. We shall do more, man.
Yep. See you guys later. Please subscribe and like.
Thank you guys, thank you. 1,000 likes, okay?
All I need is you, baby, baby.